Today I will guide you how to remove linked app with Facebook. Make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't do any mistakes during the process. First thing first, you need to open the Facebook application, and here you need to tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon at the top of the screen. This will let you access the settings page. If you don't find this way, let's come back again. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and here select the settings. So both ways let you access to the settings and privacy page. Now tap on see more in account center. Scroll down and under account settings, tap on personal details. In this section, tap on account ownership and control. So guys, let me tell you here that we are not deleting our account on Facebook, but this is the way you need to follow in order to remove link app with Facebook. Now tap on deactivation or deletion, and here you need to choose the Facebook account. Scroll down and select delete account option. Now tap on continue button. Here you need to give the reason why you want to delete. Let's tap on any option here and tap on continue. Now tap on continue. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of review apps you have logged into. Let's tap on view linked apps. Wait for a moment, and here you can easily view all the apps that have been linked with Facebook. So on my case, the TikTok has been linked with Facebook. So let's tap on TikTok. And once it gets open, you need to scroll down, and here at the bottom you can see the option of remove. You can simply tap on remove. Finally, you can tap on remove again in order to remove the linked app with Facebook. So here you can easily see that I have removed linked app with Facebook. When you see on expired, you can easily view here also. When you tap on remove, you can see that I have totally removed this linked app with Facebook just now. So this is how you can easily remove the linked app with Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.